How to transfer Bitcoin from Cash App. Hello and welcome back. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the steps. So let's just get started. Open up the Cash App application on your mobile device first, and once you open it up, you can tap on the Money tab on your Cash App home screen. And this opens up. You can go over the Bitcoin tile and tap on the arrow button. And from there, just go ahead and choose Send Bitcoin. Once it is completed, you can just go ahead and enter, select up a network first and head over to this section. Just go ahead and tap on send button, this one right here. And once it is done, you can enter the amount and the recipient's Bitcoin address. So just go ahead and provide it up in this section. And here, provide in the recipient's Bitcoin address and tap on next at the top. And once it is completed, you can tap on next again. And here you can select up your withdrawal speed. Select the speed on chain only and tap on next. And after that is done, you can confirm the payment. And that is how you transfer Bitcoin from Cash App easily. So that is it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Just go ahead and follow the steps I showed you. So don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And if you have got any questions, you can just drop them down below.